Hi guys! This is Catalina Regidor, isang proud franchisee ng Starlight Adventures from Negros Oriental but currently working here sa Poland as a warehouse worker. They say you can pour from an empty cup, and that's exactly why I decided to fill mine by choosing growth, purpose, and the courage to dream again through Starlight Adventures. Nung nag-join ako sa Starlight Adventures back 2024 October, nag-avail ako ng premium package, but eventually nag-upgrade ako ng VVIP package na kung saan nag-upgrade na kami recently this year into elite packages, which is ang daming mga benefits. When I joined Starlight Adventures a year ago, I had zero knowledge about travel industry, but through consistency and learning one day at a time, nag-attend ako ng mga webinar every time may day off ako or kaya after my work. Actually, this year lang, nakapag-tour ako kasama ang mother ko sa Singapore using my very own travel portal powered by Starlight Adventures. It was my biggest breakthrough for the history. Imagine, 12 years ako nag-work sa UAE as a sales associate, but then never ko pa marinasan magiging turista kasama ang mother ko. Yes, nagta-travel na ako back then, Israel. That was a year before ako nag-transfer sa Poland. Now, I may not have many bookings yet, but I know every great journey starts with faith and small steps. I know that the seeds I once planted a year ago is growing. Its roots, magbubunga din ito when it's time. My vision here is to help my fellow OFW na nangarap na makauwi naman for good sa Pilipinas para makabili ang kanilang pamilya. I'm doing all this for my family kasi century na ako nagtrabaho sa abroad, and I want every OFW kagaya ko to know na time and financial freedom is possible with the system provided ng Starlight Adventures. Through Starlight Adventures, I found not just a business, but a mission to bring more families together, to turn purpose into profit, and to prove that your location doesn't limit your destination. Kung gusto mo rin magkaroon ng time at financial freedom, mag-message ka today para ma-send ko sa iyo ang free training na meron kami na nakatulong sa akin at sa iba pang mga OFW across the globe. Message me now dahil limited slots lang to. Tandaan, hindi tayo forever may lakas para magtrabaho. Darating at darating ang panahon na hindi na natin kakayanin na magtrabaho. So better start a small business now habang maaga pa, habang may oras ka pa. Dahil the best asset na meron tayo ngayon is yung oras na hindi na natin pwedeng maibalik whenever it's gone. Akalain mo yun, isang dekada na ako sa abroad, but then nagtatrabaho pa rin ako dito. But this time, I'm looking forward na makakauwi na ng Pilipinas for good, not to start over, but to continue the business that I've started 1 year ago. This is Coach Catalina again, ang iyong travel OFW Pinoy. See you inside!